Hey guys, Punch Man 19 Productions here. Do you have anyone that has a door closer like this speed? Watch this. That's right, slow speed. This is the LCN door closer, by the way, from Princeton, Illinois. See, this is the speed that you do not want to do, because it's really bad. And here's how you can actually do it. This is my hex wrench right here, as you can see. And hold on, let me shut my door because it's a little bit louder and I don't want to get a copyright. There we go. I don't want to get a copyright claim. So there we go. So on the back of this, you can see if this thing's heavy. These right here are the speeds right here. And you have to take the hex wrench right here, as you can see, and just stick it in there, and then turn it like this. Oops, that's the slow speed, counterclockwise. And you can actually do the other side. This one is for the speed it's about to close, and this part is a normal speed. See, see, that's how you change the speed. Now watch this. Okay, here, watch this, guys. Here it goes. It still is a little slower, but yeah. And yep, that's how you change the speed like that. But here I'm trying. Where did the hex wrench? Oh, there it is. Okay. Okay, here it is. Normally you don't see those on the back side. Oops, that's the wrong one. Okay. Come on, get in there. There it goes. Okay. Now watch this in this speed. See, it's a little bit faster. And then, oops, I knocked down my socks. True alert. Let's try this speed. Watch this. And that's how you change your speed on this door closer, LCN. If you want to make it go fast, you gotta keep doing it counterclockwise. If I can give it a little tempo, because I'm gonna be running out of memory in a few minutes. Okay, watch this. See? That's the speed. Alright, guys. That will be it for this techno/mechanical video, so that will be it.